Legends of Learning presents the African Americans in the Mid-1800s game. This is a history game that makes learning about the African Americans in the mid-1800s fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, experience the lives of African Americans in the mid-1800s through an interactive journey. Explore daily life shaped by laws, labor, and community in different parts of the country. Make choices that reveal how people responded to limits on their freedom through movement, writing, education, and legal action. Encounter real stories and historical figures who challenged injustice. See how these experiences connect to the ongoing struggle for rights and equality. Use the arrow keys to move through each part of the journey from the plantation through the escape and into the city. Use your mouse to interact with objects and people in each scene. Each part of the journey lets you explore, interact, and learn what comes next. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.